Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you have a psychic business, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be walking you through the process of building a website for your business on the Marty Sites platform. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Psychic. There it is. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our Psychic business so I can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And look at that, it's already done it in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, visually appealing images, and they're completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images of the various psychic tools you use, if you do use any like tarot cards, crystals, stuff like that, and you've got some really great images and you want to make one or two adjustments to that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline, of course, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, each section, making my way through just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to hit to update section and click at that at the top. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. And the first thing I want to do is make sure I tick this box that says show email inside. So my email address is displayed on my Marty Sites website. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in over here, and that is displayed next to that email address, which is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code as we previously put in our city and our state or province. Now, the great thing about that address in the top left-hand corner, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's save and let's move on to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media accounts your psychic business is active on. Go ahead and pop them in over here, and the icons will be displayed at the top right next to that email address. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name in the top left-hand corner, and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Now, if you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget for a web developer or a graphic designer, for example, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are some great free options on there. Now, you can customize the logo, make it bigger and smaller to suit your needs, but I think that sizing is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back to its original size, save it, and move on. Now, with Marty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors used throughout the website as well. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your psychic business. However, on your branding, your business cards, your logos, maybe you have a completely different color to this one. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the end and just see what that is, a really great one, and it's pretty neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. I can change it at a later stage if need be. I'm now going to head over to update image. Over here, you can browse your device and upload one if you have some of your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from, and Marty Sites will automatically search for a psychic. However, you can play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up. So I'm going to go ahead and put in tarot cards and see what images are suitable for that. All the images are completely free to use, no licenses needed. Let's select that one that's really pretty and suitable for my business. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to leave it as is and head over to update content. Now, over here, you can change the title and subtitle, which is this content text over here. Button doesn't have to say book a reading, you can say something else. So perhaps you just wanted to say get in touch. Go ahead and choose your link. Now you can link to another website. You can link to another part of your Marty Sites website, like the lead form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Or you can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. But a great option is to upload a PDF file. So maybe you have your different rates and services in PDF format. Go ahead and upload it there. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to the PDF file. Another option for your psychic business is to click on another website, put in your calendar booking website over here, or maybe you pay for your services via Etsy or something along those lines. Link to your Etsy store here, your Calendly link. Go ahead and put it over here. But for this one, I'm going to link to the lead form at the bottom just for now because I want people to send me a message and get in touch with their questions and concerns. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here again, pre-written content as a guideline, of course, button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section and make those changes. We've now made our way into the about us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how your psychic business came to be, how long you've been in the industry, how long you've been doing readings for, how you got started. Your customers would love to hear your story. Go ahead and put as much information here as possible about you. Maybe a great picture of yourself here in this image spot. Awesome. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and click on update section if you want to make some changes. This image is lovely, so I'm going to go ahead and actually leave it as is. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer. Do you communicate with spirit guides? Do you offer career, financial promotion, and job readings, love and relationships, astrology, tarot cards, spiritual life coaching? Do you offer that? Go ahead and put as much information over here on all the different readings your customers can come to you for. We've now reached the last section, that form I just previously mentioned, the lead form. Over here, your customers can put in their details, their name, email address, phone number, and send you a message. Click on send. You will get notified via email, and you can also find those messages in your client dashboard or the leads from this form. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our Marty Sites psychic business website in not even 10 minutes. We've made some changes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to be a professional at all. I'm actually not even that tech savvy, and it was super simple. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So that's where Marty Sites is different. You can try the service and you don't need to put your credit card details in. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain. Let's give that a click and see where it takes us. Awesome. Go ahead and click on I already have a domain and set it up. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Let's check out the blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of blog posts there with lots of helpful information on marketing your business. So do give it a read. If you don't have a custom domain yet, all you need to just click on I want a new domain, as we have recently introduced the feature that you can now purchase your Google domain through the Marty Sites platform. It's super exciting. We've just introduced that feature. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Marty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Marty Sites service.